Welcome, everyone. If you're interested in professional online income platforms, crypto-based ecosystems, and websites that combine entertainment with structured reward systems, you're absolutely in the right place. On this channel, we focus on explaining platforms clearly, honestly, and in detail, so you can make informed decisions. Before we begin, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, because it helps us continue producing long, high-quality reviews like this one. Today, we're doing a full deep dive into a platform called BC.Game. In this video, you're watching the platform exactly as it appears on screen. Nothing is hidden, nothing is rushed. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll understand how BC.Game is structured, how users interact with it, what features it offers, and what kind of user it is designed for. As soon as the homepage loads, BC.Game gives off a very strong first impression. The design is modern, clean, and clearly optimized for usability. At the top of the interface, you can immediately see the balance area, deposit access, and account controls. This placement is important because it gives users instant clarity about their account status and available actions. Especially in crypto-based platforms, clarity reduces stress and builds confidence.
When we start scrolling through the homepage, the platform begins to reveal its core identity. BC.Game is built around interactive games, but it doesn't limit itself to a single format. You can see fast, instant games such as Crash-style games and dice, alongside slot-style games that focus more on visuals, themes, and longer sessions. Each game is clearly displayed, and entry points are simple and intuitive. One important thing to notice here is how the platform encourages exploration without pressure. Games are visible, but not overwhelming. You're not forced into any action. Instead, the interface invites you to browse, observe, and decide at your own pace. This kind of design is usually aimed at long-term users rather than short-term clicks.
Navigation across the platform feels consistent. Menus are placed logically, icons are recognizable, and moving between sections feels smooth. This consistency matters a lot because it reduces the learning curve for new users while still allowing experienced users to move quickly. Once we enter the dashboard, BC.Game starts to show its deeper structure. The dashboard is essentially the control center of the platform. Here, users can monitor activity, track bonuses, and view their overall progress. This section is especially important for users who want to understand how their actions translate into rewards and progression. One of the most visible elements in the dashboard is the level and VIP system. Progress bars, level indicators, and benefit previews clearly show that the platform is designed to reward ongoing engagement. This isn't just about playing games randomly. The system encourages users to understand how progression works and how activity affects their status. The bonus system is another area where BC.Game emphasizes transparency. Available bonuses, locked rewards, and progress-based incentives are displayed clearly. Users can see what is active, what requires action, and what may unlock later. This kind of structure helps users feel in control rather than confused. One of the strongest technical aspects of BC.Game is its wallet system. Multiple cryptocurrencies are supported, and each currency is shown individually with its own balance, deposit button, and withdrawal option. This separation improves clarity and reduces mistakes. Users always know which currency they're interacting with. The deposit process appears straightforward. Users select a cryptocurrency, view the required details, and proceed without unnecessary steps. The withdrawal process follows a similar logic, focusing on simplicity and efficiency. This is a strong indicator that the platform values user experience and operational clarity.
At this point, let me ask you a quick question. When you use online platforms, do you prefer systems where everything is simple and minimal, or do you enjoy platforms that offer deeper progression and layered rewards? Leave your answer in the comments because it genuinely helps guide future content on this channel. Moving further, the referral system is integrated directly into the platform's core. It's not hidden or treated as an afterthought. Users can invite others and track referral activity from inside their account. This feature is especially useful for content creators, community builders, or anyone with an online presence. In the Profile and Settings sections, users can manage personal preferences, account configurations, and security-related options. These areas are organized clearly, reinforcing the importance of account control and safety. For any platform involving real digital assets, this separation is essential. From a usability standpoint, BC.Game balances accessibility and depth quite well. Beginners can start with simple games and basic navigation, while more advanced users can explore bonuses, progression systems, and referral tools. This dual-layer design is often what keeps platforms relevant over time.
It's also important to understand what this platform is and what it is not. BC.Game is not a passive income system. It does not promise guaranteed returns. Instead, it offers an interactive environment where engagement, understanding, and responsible participation shape the user experience. From a professional reviewer's perspective, one of the biggest strengths of BC.Game is integration. Games, bonuses, wallet features, VIP progression, and referrals all work together inside one ecosystem. Nothing feels disconnected or randomly added.
That said, platforms like this always require awareness. Users should take time to understand how features work, manage their activity responsibly, and never engage beyond their comfort level. If you'd like to explore BC.Game yourself after watching this video, you'll find the official link in the video description and also pinned in the comments. Take your time, explore the platform, and decide whether it aligns with what you're looking for. Thank you for staying with me through this full walkthrough. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Your support allows us to keep creating detailed, honest content like this. I'll see you in the next deep review.